Are you struggling with workout recovery? You're not alone. Many fitness enthusiasts face delayed soreness and fatigue. But what if I told you there's one ingredient that can help? Let's discover this powerful recovery booster. After intense workouts, your body needs to recover. Proper recovery is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Many products promise results, but one ingredient stands above the rest: tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in your muscles. Inflammation slows down recovery, leading to soreness. Drinking tart cherry juice can speed up this process. So how do you incorporate it into your routine? Start by sipping it after workouts. Aim for 8 to 12 ounces daily. Consistency is key. Add it to smoothies or mix it into your post-workout protein shake. Let's look at an example. A study showed athletes who drank tart cherry juice experienced less muscle soreness. Their performance improved in subsequent workouts. This means quicker recovery and better results over time. In summary, tart cherry juice aids in faster recovery. It reduces soreness and allows you to train harder. So why not give it a try after your next workout? Ready to boost your recovery? Start incorporating tart cherry juice today. Don't forget to share your results with us. Subscribe for more tips on optimizing your fitness journey.